Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com in Houston, Texas. And in today's video, I wanted to answer the question, will I know in advance if I'm going to receive an IRS bank levy? The answer to that is really hard to give. I will tell you that before you receive an IRS bank levy, at some point before, you'll receive what's known as a letter 1058, final notice of intent to levy. You have 30 days from the receipt of the final notice of intent to levy to file for a CDP hearing request. If you do not do so, the IRS is free to levy your paycheck, or in this instance, levy your bank account. So the fact that you did receive a letter 1058 suggests that the IRS is getting close to levying your bank account. Assuming that the IRS gave you a letter 1058, final notice of intent to levy, at some point in the past, if you don't respond by filing for a collection due process hearing, a CDP hearing, it might be that the IRS can issue a wage levy. Here's where the doubtfulness comes in. Once they have filed for the final notice of intent to levy, after the 30-day period, they're free to file a bank levy or possibly a wage levy whenever they want to. Practically speaking, it's usually never going to be within 30 days, maybe 60 days. It could be that they file a bank levy 60 days later. It could be that they file a bank levy 6 months later, or maybe even a year later. When they file the bank levy really is indeterminate. We never know exactly when that's going to happen. All we know for sure is that in order for the IRS to file a bank levy, they have to have already issued the final notice of intent to levy, the letter 1058. So that answers today's question, will I know in advance if the IRS is going to issue a bank levy? And the answer is you'll know to the extent that they filed the final notice of intent to levy. 30 days after that, they're free to issue a bank levy. But that being the case, you don't know when the bank levy is going to be issued. It could be in 30 to 60 days. It could be in 6 months. It could be in a year, whenever the IRS feels like it and gets around to it. Thanks for watching today's video. If you would like a free copy of my new book, 10 Common Mistakes Taxpayers Make When Beginning to Solve Their IRS Tax Problems, at the end of this video, when the music is playing and the final slide is playing, up in the upper left-hand corner, there's an icon. Click on the icon, enter your contact information, and I'll get your free book out as soon as possible. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.